Hello, this video is a quick overview of dflat, a custom language for the oric-1 and Atmos computers from the early 80s. This video assumes that you've already seen the quick start guide, so if you haven't got that already, please have a look at that and then come back here, because I'm assuming that you've already got the emulator up and running. So this is the start screen of dflat. Just like any other basic, it's ready to accept your command. So what can you do with dflat? Well, it's a structured basic, number one. Has many commands, including a built-in assembler. It's got high resolution features. It's got sound commands. There's so much there that I couldn't possibly explain how to do all of this in one video. It will take a series of videos. But in addition to that, the best way is going to be to read the docs. So in the GitHub location that I showed you in the previous video, 6502nerd/dflat, you will find a wiki entry. And here there's a breakdown of dflats and quite a few of the interesting features it has. Software sprites, for example, an inline assembler, high and low resolution graphics handling, how to do and manage variables, functions, procedures, all sorts of things. You'll find it all here, and that really is the best place to start. And if I go, for example, to the language description, there is a basic program here, no pun intended, but a simple program here to be able to try. So let's do that. I'm just going to type it in as I see it there. Line 100, def hello. What this is doing is, def is a keyword that says a procedure is about to be defined, and the name of the procedure is underscore hello, and it can take parameters, but there are none here, so it's just open bracket, close bracket. Then the next line I'm typing in is print ln hello world. So you can guess exactly what this does. The print ln command prints a string, and the ln, like Pascal style, implies that it will also inject a new line after the string has been printed. And then 120 end def, if I can spell it, end def is a specific keyword which closes a procedure. If you start a procedure, then it needs to be closed somehow. And I can list that just using regular keywords like list. If I list star, that tells me all the procedures that are in my program. There's just one called hello. And if I want to execute that procedure, I simply type the name of the procedure with any parameters, or open and close brackets if there are no parameters. So if I press enter, I get hello world. No surprise. There's a whole bunch of other features here. How to handle variables. Line numbers is an interesting point to make a note of. dflat needs line numbers, so we can order lines in memory, but dflat doesn't have any way to invoke program statements through line numbers. So everything is done through named procedures and structured programming constructs. There is no goto and there is no gosub. So in that sense, dflat, I would say, is quite close to BBC Basic. It was inspired a lot by BBC Basic, and sort of Pascal style in the way that you might define and invoke procedures. So the wiki gives you a load more information. Maybe you want to dive straight in because you're familiar with Basic. It's definitely worth having a quick scan of some of the core. If I take you to the graphics section, gives you a quick overview on what you can do with graphics. So for example, you could use the plot keyword and to plot a string anywhere on the screen. In high resolution, as you know, the oric has high resolution graphics, and here you can see in high resolution how to draw a line and a circle. So these are the kind of features that dflat comes with, and I really hope that you will investigate more, find out more about dflat, and let me know what you think of it or any other ideas for how to make it better. And thanks for watching this video.